Seeing a familiar name or phone number pop up on your screen makes your brain shut down skepticism. Scammers rely on this blind trust to sell their terrifyingly convincing lies instantly. Cyber threat intelligence researcher Megan Squires notes that tools easily grab clips from YouTube or TikTok to build convincing voice clones. The crying child scam triggers a parent's worst fear, featuring fake emergency scenarios claiming a loved one has been arrested or kidnapped. The FTC logged tens of thousands of virtual kidnapping and AI voice scam reports, resulting in massive dollar losses per victim. The biggest mistake is reacting with immediate panic, allowing the emotional intensity of the fake crisis to override rational thinking and verification. Scammers can spoof phone numbers to make calls appear trustworthy, demanding immediate payment via cryptocurrency before anyone can verify the truth. UC Berkeley professor Henny Farid recommends agreeing on a secret family code word to instantly expose deepfake calls. Share for scam awareness.